Learn German for beginners, giving directions in the city. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In our previous lesson, we focused on formulating sentences in the imperative. In this lesson, we'll delve into the essential skill of giving directions, especially useful when navigating a city. If you haven't already, we recommend watching our video on city names to familiarize yourself with various locations. Key terms. Before we dive into giving directions, let's learn three crucial terms. Links, left, rechts, right, geradeaus, straight ahead. Now, let's incorporate them. Giving directions patient. 1. Linksdirect. If so many ask Suia for directions, you can respond, Kom House, for example. Street names 2. Wegensinglich Sodrel. I feel nothing atteshiv. Guions links and chorchechechuchechechuch. 3. Wegen Drexedrenfall. I feel nothing atteshiv. Gemesrek synthis, Lashadrasa. Passing B. 4. Gamsafist Swalisk. When passing Bison comes on Theocation Orbi, and Therfer and the Rashis. 5. Naymandas links order. When passing Biast, Candidish Trasendal, roundabout. 6. Namem Destros. When Navigatingabant, Fatin Christfaker, positional structures. 7. Diapothekestischer, describing the posen, Theapothekation dies. 8. Der Parkis Thinteratum, describing the location, Theperkis Benthashu, practical examples. Now, let's applitricentrate lifessen areas. Asking for help 9. Ich Samelpid Benfanf. Asking for attrition, Dank. Thesis Gantianch, Namansathesisation. City exploration. 10. Vigans, is the Samarathis. Confirming the location, Thesistern Sintianskrin. Additional examples. 11. Bitter, Warfine Deshariente. Seeking directions, Tamila Tishvicals. Congratulations, Juwelier Nesfo Dank. Practice formula squintwitwitwist. Dank Kefer watching. If you found this fooled, don't forgetagovist. Share it with friends, and subscribe marvel. I file havianis contoment stormon, feel free to leave a libum. Wieler Folk.